Right, good morning, welcome back to the channel. Out with Lisa today on her birthday, and we're at, where are we? Ryhope. Sunderland's just over that direction. So we're starting at this old headstock wheel, and we're going on the Hart to Haswell Old Railway. I think it's called the Hart to Haswell Way, or as they say in Sunderland, love, Way. Oh, why? So it's about, we've got a 42-mile ride today. It's 21 each way. I think the railway is about 16, but we're going to drop into Hartlepool, and there's a memorial, a war memorial there, and as it's November the 9th today, we're going to go and pay our respects there. So yeah, let's get going. Any wise words, love?
No.
No, there you go. That's Lisa's input for today. Right, let's crack on. I'm hoping there's some infrastructure. We've just driven under a bridge, so we're going over that, but I don't know what's on it. You're going to discover it with us today, so let's crack on. You're alright, I've got loads of room there. Thank you. Morning, high five, quick. Ah, you're too slow.
Thank you.
First bridge, look. Morning. If only you had a belly. Oh, look at this cool bridge. Good, isn't it? I like it.
I thought you were stopping to take a picture.
Getting on way back. Lovely that, isn't it? It's a big one.
Did we not come under that?
Hey?
We must have come under that driving.
I don't remember it.
Climb, it
Yeah.
says.
Climb 1 of 3. Thank you.
Thanks.
Cheers.
You there? I'm roasting now.
Yeah. It's not because we're climbing. Nicely coloured, isn't it? It would be good if you could block it.
I'm moving forwards.
So there you go, 17 miles to Hartlepool, 25 to Middlesbrough. We're not going that far today. And we're on Route 1, which for those who have watched my coast to coast avoiding major rivers, I was on coming out of Lincoln towards Cleethorpes. Yeah, I didn't realise it came this far up. Oh, my legs are a bit heavy today. I think it's because I've not really done out for a while.
Yeah. It's nice now that sun's out.
It's forecast to be a pleasant day. Sun's quite warm, isn't it? And at least we'll have that wind behind us later. Come on in.
Hi. Unless the wind changes direction.
Yeah, not forecast to, but Sod's Law says it always does. I think once we get over this hump, it's all downhill. It does mean a long drag uphill later, but
Yeah.
we should have a tailwind, shouldn't we?
Hopefully.
That. Yeah.
This is the one where we stopped at the cafe side.
Yeah.
If we didn't kept going, we'd have been joined up with this one.
We got Sunderland, and then from Sunderland you come down onto this one, yeah. Come on in. So we're still steadily climbing up here. It's like if you imagine a capital D laid on its back. That's the route profile today. I'll pop it up on screen. So we're basically climbing up, down and up and down. Yeah, so far seems nice. We're on gravel now. Came out early on tarmac. Now we're on gravel. There's Lisa. Look, first time I've been out for a ride with Lisa for a while. And first proper ride in 2 weeks for me. Just after that coast to coast ride, day after I pulled my back. So I've been laid up. Thankfully on the mend now. Oh, I'll bring you around these gates. Yeah, you're all right. So this section's classed as the Hawthorne to Ryhope Way. So this entire railway line, obviously it was a coal focused railway. It did have passenger services which stopped in 1952, and then the whole line was closed in 1967. So I'm assuming it was one of Dr. Beechin's cuts. It was downgraded to a second class line, I think late 50s, early 60s. So that's perhaps why it wasn't being utilised and therefore it's gone. Yeah, it's lovely so far. What's your thoughts so far, love?
Pardon?
Thoughts so far?
Yeah, it's nice.
There you go, it's nice. Many words. Alright, let's pop you back on the bike now. Right, so we're 8 miles in now. We're just sort of come inland to get around Peterlee. Now we're heading back towards the coast for Hartlepool. It's quite a lumpy one.
I thought them carriages were something to do with old railway, but they weren't, were they?
No, probably used to be a bridge there. If you look at this uphill, like a lot of them, they just rip them down, don't they?
That looks like a... To your left is a big hill.
Yeah, that's where the scramblers are.
It looked like a ski slope going down the side of it.
And that's where the bikes are. Yeah, Yeah, this bit's nice, isn't it? Look at that. Probably electrical box. No drainage channel there, look.
It's an old bridge or something here.
Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah. What was once a bridge. It's the first sign of anything we've seen, isn't it?
Well, pretty much.
You know what that is?
Bits. No.
It's a horse box for getting on your horse.
Was it? Really?
Yeah. They have them at the side of roads as well, where there's a lot of horses and stuff. Yeah.
It's flooded quite way down then.
Yeah. Well, it's not on map, so it's not a canal. I mean, look, it's not deep. I think it's just flooded. Ah, still that is. And then look how
Like it's, yeah,
much
it's
it's
like
moving there.
dammed up there, look.
Yeah.
With that tree and stuff.
Yeah, I think that's just a flooded track bed. So if you look, they've built this up. Cool if the tracks were still in it, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
I don't think they will be. Oh, a bridge. First proper bridge.
That is bizarre, that water a bit.
You are?
Like, there's no more water here, look, it's weird.
I know. It must have been an area that's just really prone to flooding. And there's another bridge coming up. See, this is nice, isn't it?
Yeah, because it's easy
look.
as well. Platform.
Yeah.
Oh, it's
Oh,
going
that's
that side.
spooky, isn't it? I wonder where. Oh, yeah, there is a town here. There's a colliery. An old colliery over there.
Yeah.
Oh, it's lovely how the trees just envelop, yeah? Smile. Yeah, this section's lovely. It has been nice since we came past that, after that horrible bridleway bit, where the colliery was. It was quite nice after that, weren't it?
There must be a busy road over there.
Another bridge. What? No, this is it. There's like a new extension bit on it there, I'm guessing,
Yeah.
for the road. Oh, still got that headwind.
Nice, it's cooling me down.
I wouldn't say we're over hot.
Oh,
Watch
cool.
out, love. Idiots, shouldn't be on something like this.
I think I might be able to see the sea over there.
You are?
I thought I could see the sea.
No, not yet. Might not see it till we get to Hartlepool now. We're quite low down, aren't we? Oh, we're on NCN 14 now. I didn't notice when we swapped over.
No.
End of the line, love.
Is this the end of the line?
End of the line.
It still says 3 miles to Hartlepool.
Yeah. Yeah, 3 miles. 3 miles to the headland. Time to go to the headland and we'll go to the headland and we'll have a lunch.
Yeah.
It's cool, isn't it? There you go, the railway line's just, or the old line's ended now. So 3 miles to headland, 3 3/4 to Hartlepool centre. Yeah, it's a nice finger post, isn't it? 18 to Durham. It's not bad, is it, considering it's 15 to Sunderland?
Yeah. Does the cycleway go all the way to Durham?
And we're just outside of Hartlepool now. I don't think we're going to go all the way down into Hartlepool. We're going to grab a quick bite to eat and then we'll head back and pick up that old railway again. What do you think to it so far, love?
Yeah, it's quite nice.
It's alright, there's a few places where it just doesn't, it's just totally gone, hasn't it?
Yeah.
So even though you're on what was the old track bed, it feels very much like it's just a new bike path that's being built. And then there's other sections where there's bridges and all sorts. So it was nice. That section was weird. Where it was like alongside a canal. It was just the old track bed that was flooded, but it was weird that, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was quite nice. I think after that place, what was that place where we got across? We went on the road for a bit. There was no colliery site, weren't there?
Yeah, I don't
And the
know.
track just disappeared and then went on the road for like half a mile and then back on it. So apologies, I didn't realise my microphone had actually failed at this point, but I was showing you the Steatley Pier, which was built in the 1960s to pipe seawater for the magnesia treatment works. Now, the Steatley Pier gets its name from a small village in Nottinghamshire near Worksop, where the Steatley Lime and Building Stone Company produced high quality stone. You can see there's a gap in the pier, and that's because it was demolished because locals were using it to jump off into the sea and fishing, and the boards became rotten and people started to fall in and get injuries. So it was actually closed. But yeah, it's an impressive structure to see, especially when you know the history of it. Big, innit?
Pardon?
Big.
Yeah.
So believe it or not, we are on the old track bed at the minute. Doesn't feel like it, does it? Feels like a bridle way, but we are. It's a very bumpy section going in and out of Hartlepool. And coming out of Hartlepool, it's uphill. It's a drag for, I don't know, 7 mile I think.
I like this bit. Because it's nice and wide. It looks quite colourful with all the light
Yeah,
yellow
it's lovely,
leaves.
isn't it? Lovely how that's just drawing you in, isn't it?
Yeah.
Quite a high embankment actually, aren't we?
You won't want to slip down there, that's for sure. I think it's the pine trees at the side as well that make it nice.
Yeah.
I love going through pine forest.
Yeah, it certainly adds to it with the leaves falling as well. Yeah.
Must be on that grid.
Can I get a picture of this platform? It sounded more like a steam train. Right, so just over there is Shotton Colliery, or the former site of Shotton Colliery. This is the only platform we've seen on the line, isn't it?
Yeah.
So yeah, I'll see if I can find a picture of it. It's the only one I've seen though. A lot of the bridges have gone as well. But at least there's something still there. And the steps are just up there which went up. Right, onwards. Quite a big platform though, weren't it?
Yeah, it is. Oh, it's all the way down here.
Yeah, a really long one, and it ends just there, look. So that platform and station was north of the village of Shotton.
God, I can still smell weed now.
What?
I can still smell some weed. Or smoke.
Yeah,
it's
that's
fire.
proper fire smoke, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, big bikes come in. That's it, just him.
Really shouldn't be on here. That's fourth one we've seen today.
And it scares life out of you when they come up behind you like faster.
Yeah. On that nice footbridge again, look.
Yeah. Can you cross it?
What?
Can you actually go on it?
I don't know. Have a look. Cool if you could. No. Blocked off, look.
It's got no steps, that's why.
Oh, yeah.
God, I bet the sea is literally just over there. Look, just over that rail, that ridge.
Probably.
God, it's a really weird coastline.
Right, so that's that old bridge, look, which was over the railway. It's cool, that bridge, isn't it? Right, we've got a mile back to where we started, that old colliery site. What did you think to that one?
Yeah, it was alright. We've done better ones, but...
Yeah, I'd agree. It was alright. I mean, from here to, what was that place? South?
Shotton.
No. Just past Shotton, this side of Shotton, south something or other.
No idea.
Anyway, I forget what it was. So from here to there, it feels like a totally different trail and old line than from there, Shotton downwards. Feels like definitely a ride of two halves. Yeah, it was alright. You've got to watch out for dog muck on this section. A lot of it's tarmacked on this first bit, and then after that it's gravel. It was alright, wasn't it?
Yeah.
What have we done? We didn't go all the way into Hartlepool. We stopped a few miles north of the main town bit, at that pier that I showed you. So we've done about 36.5 miles. It's quite nice. I mean, the weather's turned a bit, but yeah, it was quite good that. So thanks again for watching and joining us on the adventure. I'm Rob, that's Lisa. Channel's Bike Ventures. Please do like and subscribe. We really appreciate it. We're up to 332 subscribers I think now, which is mega. Thank you very much. So we'll see you on the next one. Cheers guys.